It is not business as usual as men of Edo State police command are on ground here on Saple Road, one of the roads leading to the Edo State Election Petition Tribunal, to ensure that there is no repeat of what transpired last week in which there were records of violence. Every available road leading to the tribunal have been barricaded by men of the Nigerian police force. Pedestrians and motorists were made to ply one lane of the road as part of security measures by the police to prevent political thugs from accessing the premises of the tribunal. Security was tight at the tribunal. Lead counsel to both parties introduced 89 members of their legal team before commencement of hearing by the tribunal. Counsel to the petitioner, Barrister Kemi Biero, SAN, informed the tribunal that both parties have met and agreed that all pending motions be entertained along with the substantive petition rather than address the motions before the written addresses. He explained that the parties equally agreed that a pre-trial should commence on Monday, 12th December 2016. Counsel to the second respondent, Barrister Wole Olanikwekun, and counsel to the third respondent, Barrister N.O. Fagbemi, also corroborated the statement of the petitioner's counsel and also used the opportunity to inform the court that they have two pending motions challenging the competency of the entire petition. There was, however, a disagreement between counsel to the petitioner and respondents over the inspection of ballot papers. Counsel to the petitioner informed the court that there are some challenges in scanning the ballot papers used for the election. According to him, the respondents are deliberately slowing down the process as they insisted that 10 members of the APC be allowed to inspect each of the ballot papers before they are screened and appeal to the tribunal to intervene. However, counsel to the respondents said they have fully cooperated with the petitioner and called on the tribunal not to intervene on the matter, insisting that if anything must be done, the petitioner must file an application before the tribunal rather than oral evidence. In his ruling, Chairman of the tribunal, Justice Ahmed Badamasi, said all applications filed by both parties will be entertained along with the substantive petition. Justice Badamasi, who insisted that the court's earlier decision on the inspection of ballot papers still stands, said if any party feels that the order of the court is being flouted, such party should make a formal application before the tribunal. Counsel to the petitioner and counsel to the second and third respondents speak on the proceeding.
All senior counsel had engaged themselves and had spoken, and there was a general consensus that all the applications should abide the outcome of the petition and can be taken at address stage. However, there was an issue of inspection. There is a deliberate attempt to frustrate the order of the court guaranteeing the right of inspection of the petitioner. APC and their group have been deliberately frustrating it. And so we needed the court's intervention. And the court has directed that we should file a formal application if we feel anybody has flouted the order, which we will do.
Counsel for both parties, the petitioners and the respondents, have agreed to allow all objections be consolidated with the substantive petition, and all of them will be taken together in order to save time. I think that's just a summary of what happened at the tribunal today.
The proceedings for today was harmonized because all the parties agreed that instead of dissipating energy on the various motions that have been filed, we should roll them up with a substantive petition so that they all will come up at the same time, possibly after or during the trial of the main petition.
The tribunal will reconvene on Monday, 12th of December 2016. Best Mbiere reporting.